Hi guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up on PokePay and get your first free virtual card that you can use for online payments like Netflix, Amazon, ChatGPT, Spotify, and more. So I'm going to walk you through every steps for registration to top up and make your first payment. It's plain simple terms. So now guys, let's dive into it. Okay, so firstly, what is PokePay? So PokePay is a global multi-currency payment platforms that allow you to create digital account and Visa card using crypto or flat money to pay anywhere in the world. And even buying your card to other payment services, you can shop online and offline, subscribe to services, and send or receive money across border easily. So first of all, what you need to do now is to go to your browser, as you can see on my screen. Go to your browser and type www.pokepay.com, as you can see on my screen. So once you get to that, as you can see the interface on my screen, once you get to that, you go to my settings. So once you go there, you will now decide to sign in. Okay, so guys, so you can decide to either sign up or sign in. So if you have an account before, you can sign in, but if you don't have an account before, you can sign up. So for the sign up, you either sign in with just your email, or if you have a phone number, you can actually sign in. Select your country code, put in your phone number, click to get a verification code, put in your password and an invitation code, that is if you have. But if you have to sign in by email, as usual, same step. Put in your email, put in your verification link. Sorry, after your email, put in request for verification code, and get it, put it there, and then put in your password as usual. So once you click on register now, it will actually take you to your email where you go and verify your account, and then you come over here now to log in. As you can see, I'm already logged in. So you click on login and wait for it to load, and boom. So this is actually the interface. So from first, you tend to select the authentication method you actually want to use. So as you can see, I'm actually going to use email. So you go to your email now and actually get the verification code. So as you can see, I've gotten the verification code and I'm actually logged in successfully. So that is for your step one. So step two, what you need to do is to complete ID verification, that is KYC. So before you can apply for a card or add funds, you must complete your KYC, that is to know your customer. So first of all, you go to your this part, mine, as you can see. So you see I'm not verified yet, so you click on KYC. So you allow it to load as usual. So you see you see KYC is actually free, so you ensure that you so now as you can see, for the balance before you actually do your KYC, so you have to have at least $5 on your account. So once you have $5 on your account, you can at least apply for KYC and you are verified. So that is actually how to verify your account on PokePay. So once you are done verifying your account, so it will reflect here you are verified. So the next step for you to do now is to ensure that you top up your balance. So in case you really want to top up your balance, or you want to receive funds, or you want to withdraw funds, it's actually an easy step. So number two, you click on, first of all, you click on deposit. So after you click on deposit, you select the currency you want. So it's either USDT, it's either BTC, ETH, or USDC. So you click on the network, either TRC20, Arbitron, Avalanche, BNB, or Polygon. So if you are to go for Arbitron, so you copy the address, and you actually go to your wallet to receive crypto with this particular wallet address. So and once the crypto is sent, it just take 5 minutes and you receive your crypto immediately on your Poke app. Okay, so now the best part is, how do you now apply for virtual card? I think that's actually one of the best part. So because number one, the power of a virtual card section. So you first of all go to card section, as you can see from the card section. So you now either choose, either you're applying for a virtual card or you're applying for a physical card. So if you're applying for a virtual card, you click on the virtual card, and like I said, before you apply for virtual card, you should at least have done your KYC. So once you choose on applying for your virtual card, you click on apply now, confirm your details, and submit. So from there, your virtual card will be created instantly and you will see your card info on your screen. Copy the details and use them the right way to pay online. And the last step is, how do you use this virtual card online? So on the card section, like I said, so once your virtual card is ready to use, so you use them on sites like Netflix, Amazon, Spotify, Google Pay, ChatGPT Plus, basically everywhere that online Visa payment is accepted. So just enter the number and the expiring date and the system and the CVV, like a normal debit or credit card. Payment will be deducted from your PokePay balance. So that is how to use your virtual card online. So, and if in case you want a physical card, it's very simple, procedure. So you go to your card section as usual, click on the apply for physical card, wait for the application to be delivered. Physical card lets you pay in stores and withdraw at ATM or POS stand. So, and then most of the times, one of the most interesting question that is asked is that how long does it takes for your money to actually get to your PokePay balance? Most of the times, deposit takes at least 5 to 10 minutes before your crypto reflect on your wallet. And are there fees? So PokePay actually often have no cross-border fees, but other card networks or processing fee may be applied. So that is how to sign up, verify, and top up for your free PokePay virtual card. And if you found this tutorial helpful, kindly like, subscribe, and comment before what you want next. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.